Hello everyone, welcome to G3 Fashion Stretch. I am with Aarti and Neeti.
Beloved, the trend of ethnic fashion in a blend of western style, which we will see in Seema Gujarat Salwar Kameez collection.
Seema has her own brand outlet in Delhi, which she has given us wonderful designs for Kimaya, and now she splashes her own design senses into her own brand label, which is brought to you by G3 Fashions.
These suits are rich and charming in their own way. The collection is elegant glamorous wear with rich fabrics and attractive colors for weddings and parties, involving print selection and embroidered placements.
An interesting form of design over here, showing a western statement in this raw silk anarkali, which has prints scattered all over, showing a pastel color theme.
Yeah, the fabric gives really good richness.
Yes, this is a raw silk fabric which shows comfort and also gives richness. As you can see, the yoke has Resham embroidery all over.
Yeah, it is highlighting the neckline and waistline, which is surround entirely, and it has Resham motif pattern.
Yeah, even the back is a bit of a modern kind of a style because it has inner armhole pattern.
Yeah, this one is really great for parties with sober color combination.
Yes.
Okay, Aarti, tell us about the cost of this salwar suit.
This one costs somewhere around 19,000. This one here is a net jacquard which has a golden, which works very well on the black base, and if you see, the whole suit has a good color theme.
Yeah, the yoke again till mid-waist and the motifs are really looking amazing.
Yes, this has been worked with custom embroidery and dori work, and they've used a little bit of pink to highlight this. And if you see on this side, there is metal embroidery used in the same motif.
Yeah, the high neck really gives a good style statement.
Yes, it does.
And the back even has a different style.
Yes, it has a high neck which drops to a lower down with a cut style. And if you see, the motif placements have been worked up very well in this suit.
Yeah, and the dupatta has the same color in net with golden and pink borders.
Yes.
And Aarti, what about the cost?
This one also costs around 19,000. This one is pretty stylish and easy to carry neatly. As you can see, there are bright prints on this.
Yeah, a great filling fabric. This is raw silk again. Color in orange and magenta gives a really bright look.
Yeah, Seema's designs have all these wonderful prints. As you can see in here, we have vintage paisley motifs all over, and the yoke in a neutral shade with golden zari embroidery.
Yeah, the collar neck with Resham embroidery in 2 colors with center line opening.
Yes, and the back again has a good work here which is threaded neatly. And this comes with a net dupatta to complete this look. And the costing of this is somewhere around 18,000.
What you will see in all these suits, Aarti, is that they all are in up to the trend in flow range. All the anarkalis and masakalis are in ready-made collection by Seema Gujarat. Like this one here is in pink net in flare style pattern.
Okay. The most interesting part of this suit is the yoke. As I said, Seema has designed all her collection with beautiful motif placements.
Yeah, it has hand embroidery in zardosi, zari and buta work from one shoulder. On the another side, it comes till waistline, which gives really classy look. It has pink net dupatta, and the border of dupatta and hemline are in golden. It has a basic U neck here and a deeper U neck at the back.
And it has beautiful fancy hangings attached.
Yeah.
And Nidhi, what will be the cost of this?
Yeah, it costs around 24,000. This one is silk masakali in navy and the hemline to a statement here. The multicolor borders adds the extra look to the salwar kameez.
Nidhi, what kind of borders are these?
These are hand embroidered zari borders in multicolor, a Rajasthani style border to enhance the look.
Okay. I can see the theme work on the neck well.
Yeah, on neckline there is a golden kasab work with a blue dupatta and golden and red border on this, and this salwar kameez cost approx 33,000 rupees. Now this one here is a net base and embroidered all over in golden gota patti. The concept of geometric design more to look like traditional style.
The motifs are done in a gradient manner, which is smaller and larger when it goes down.
Yeah, there are stones all over in golden color, and the triangular motif on net dupatta complements the look of salwar kameez. The high neck gives the complete look with a V shape of neck.
Okay, this one is a heavy salwar kameez which can be worn at weddings and reception, and it costs around 35,000.
So Available at g3fashions.in online.
And also get this exclusive collection on G3 stores. Until then, please like our video
And subscribe to our channel. Bye.
For further query, mail us on customercare@g3fashions.in.